Good morning, student. Today our topic is नैनो साइंस। ये हमारी फोर्थ यूनिट है। तो हम पहले इसमें डिस्कस करेंगे इसका इंट्रोडक्शन। तो इंट्रोडक्शन में नैनो है, तो नैनो इज वेरी स्मॉल। तो नैनो साइंस एंड द नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी refers to the control and the manipulation of the matter at the nanometers dimensions. All the manufacturers' products are made up from the atoms, so the properties of these products depend on how these atoms are arranged. For example, we arrange the atoms in coal, get we get the diamonds. Nanotechnology is about rearranging atoms and whichever way we want. Nanotechnology is actually the technology development at the atomic, molecular, macromolecular range approximately 1 से लेके 100 nanometers. That means 1 nanometer is equal to 10 की power minus 9 meter to create and the use the structures and device and the systems that have novel properties. Now, nano in Greek for the drop means the millionth, while the word of the nanotechnology is relatively new and the existence of the device and the structure of the nanometer dimension is not new. For example, the stained glass window found in the medieval searches contains the different size gold nanoparticles incorporated into the glass, the specific size of the particles producing the red, green, purple, orange colors, and these there is the confusion about the exact definition of the nanotechnology. Most definitions revolve around the study and the control of the phenomena and the material at the length scales below the 100 nanometer, and some definitions include a reference to the molecular system and device, and the most appropriate definition of the nanotechnology is that is the nanotechnology is design, characterization, production, and the application of the structures, device, and system by control, manipulation of size and shape at the nanometer scale. That means the atomic, molecular, and the macromolecular scale that produce the structures, device, and system with at least one novel superior characteristics or a property. That is the definition of nanotechnology. यहाँ से क्वेश्चन अराइज हो सकता है व्हाट इज टेक्नोलॉजी, या व्हाट यू मीन बाय नैनो, या आपका 1 नैनोमीटर कितने मीटर के इक्वल है। तो यहाँ से ये 1 मार्क के क्वेश्चंस अराइज हो सकते हैं। नाउ द मटेरियल इन द micrometer scale, that is the same properties as that of the bulk from the but in the nanometer scale. Physical property अगर हम बात करते हैं, that is the substance may exhibit different from that of the bulk. From example, the crystal in the nanometer scale have a low melting point and reduce the lattice constant because the number of the surface atom or a ions become a fraction of total number of the atoms or a ions, and the surface energy play a significant role in the thermal stability. So the ferroelectric and the ferromagnetics may lose their ferroelectricity and the ferromagnetism when the materials are shrunk to the nanometer scale. Now, on the December 29, 1959, the Nobel Prize winner, तो हमारे पास जो विनर साइंटिस्ट जो फिजिक्स थे, रिचर्ड फाइनमैन गेव ए टॉक एट द एनुअल मीटिंग ऑफ द अमेरिकन फिजिकल सोसाइटी इन टेल्ट there is a plenty of room at the bottom, and he said the principle of the physics as far as I can see do not speak against the possibility of the manuality things atoms by atom. In a way, he suggests that the bottom up approach. It is interesting that it may be the principle possible for the physicist to synthesize any chemical substance that the chemist write down, give the order, and the physicist synthesize it how, put the atoms down where the chemists say, and go you make the substance, and the problem of the chemistry and the biology can be greatly helped if our ability to see what we are doing and do you things on the atomic level is ultimately developed, a development which I think cannot be avoided. However, the world had to wait for a long time to put down the atoms at the required rate. In 1981, the scanning the Turing microscope was made, and later number of tools collectively called the scanning probe microscope are developed, and the team associated with these developments got the 1986 नोबेल प्राइज़ फॉर द फिजिक्स। ये आज हमने इंट्रोडक्शन की है नैनो साइंस में। ये हमारी 4th यूनिट है, वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट यूनिट है। यहाँ से स्कोरिंग हम 1 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस यहाँ से अराइज होते हैं। यहाँ से आपसे नोबेल प्राइज़ भी पूछा जा सकता है कि साइंटिस्ट को मिला था, तो ये हम यहाँ से क्वेश्चंस कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे।